Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you kind of this principle using science on how to assist you with doing a magic trick. And it's a magic trick that involves a prediction. And of course, once I show you how to do all this stuff, maybe the sky's the limit and you can come up with different things to do with what I'm going to show you, okay? So it's not too difficult of a trick, but it does involve a prediction. So as I go through the cards like this, I'm just going to want the spectator just to tell me when to stop, okay? So I'm going to go through like this, and the spectator can stop me right there, okay? Have them look at that card, remember it, don't tell you, okay? I'm going to lose their card somewhere in the middle of the deck. I have no idea where it is, and shuffle the cards, okay? So I have no idea what card they've picked. They've told me when to stop, but earlier today I made a prediction, and I wrote it down on this piece of paper called prediction, okay? Now, wouldn't it be amazing if I wrote down what card they would have picked? And look at that. I wrote down, you will select the 8 of spades, okay? What, that wasn't your card? Well, if you just get a magic heat source and just wave it over there, some of the ink will vanish. And look at that, the 3 of hearts, you will select the 3 of hearts. Was that your card? And that's prediction friction. Now, before I show you how to do this and how to get all this stuff that you need to do this, which is really easy to get, please, as always, like and subscribe to this video. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. I really also like to give a shout out to all my channel members. I really appreciate all you guys and appreciate all the support. And if you're looking to become a channel member, you can just do that through YouTube on their little tab there, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. All right, prediction friction. Now for the tutorial. Basically, it's just a card force. You're forcing a card and you have a prediction written down. And the neat part about it is that you can make some of the ink disappear. Now you're gonna need, and you can find these at, a Walmart or a Target or online, any one of these pens, okay? They're called Frixion, Frixion, hence the title of this video, pens, okay? And I bought a 3-pack of them. I have black, blue, and red came in 1 pack. It says gel on them. They're made by Pilot, okay? So you can find these, I'm sure, online on Amazon, or I found these at Target. You can find them at Walmart, etc. Okay, and they're only like a couple dollars, and I'm sure during back to school time they'll even be cheaper, okay, during the summer, okay? So I bought a 3-pack. Now, to set this up, and this is just kind of easy what I did, simple, but you can make whole words disappear, etc. What you're gonna wanna do is just get a normal black pen and write down what the end scenario will be. So I put you will select, and then I wrote 3 of hearts. And then with the friction pen, okay, and this is just nice and easy, I just went over the 3 and made it an 8, and then I'm a horrible drawer, so I drew kind of a spade and then just filled it in, okay, with the friction ink. And if you have, maybe a better surface than I do right now with this close-up mat, you can get, color this in and get it to look like a spade, etc. Okay, so you get the point. So the friction pen is what will disappear. This is just kind of a erasable ink pens, okay? So it's just erasable ink pens, and they're called friction pens, okay? A few dollars. Whatever you want to disappear, use that. And then whatever you want to stay, use a regular pen, okay? And get the colors to match, obviously. So you will select the 8 of spades. So what I did was, I want them to pick the 3 of hearts. So I had the 3 of hearts on the bottom, and I just used a card force. I used the Hindu shuffle, and I have a whole playlist of how to force cards, some self-working, some use sleight of hand. It doesn't matter which way you use for this trick, but the Hindu shuffle was just basically you take cards off the top, drop them in your hand, and maintain the bottom card, okay? So from the side view, it looks like that. I'm just taking cards off the top, dropping them in the hand. The 3 of hearts is still there. Taking cards off the top, dropping them in my hand. 3 of hearts is still there. Just taking cards off the top, dropping them in my hand over and over, okay? You get it? Have them stop you. You show them this card, 3 of hearts. You can lose it anywhere in the deck because, you made a prediction. or whatever. And then when you just get a heat source, like a lighter, and then don't light the paper on fire, but when you just heat it up, that Frixion ink, you know, most of it, it's kind of like wet, so you might see a little bit of it. It's like disappearing ink, kind of leaves a little wetness on it when you flame it off, but it turns it into the 3 of hearts, and it just kind of gives it like amazing magic look, okay? So let me know what you think. That's Prediction Frixion. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you decide to do with the Frixion pens, on what you can write, and then what you know, you can change full words to change them into different sayings, etc. Okay? And as always, I appreciate you guys, and until next time.